Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn subject maths, standard 8, chapter 4, practical geometry. Now, introduction. You have already learnt how to draw triangle in class 7. We require three measurement of sides and angles to draw a unique triangle. Okay? Since three measurements were enough to draw a triangle, a natural question arises whether four measurements would be sufficient to draw a unique four-sided closed figure, namely a quadrilateral. We can say quadrilateral. Now see here how to draw a quadrilateral. Take a pair of sticks of equal length, say 10 centimeter. Take another pair of sticks of equal length, say 8 centimeter. Hang them up suitably to get a rectangle of length 10 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. This rectangle has been created with the four available measurement. Okay. Now just push along the breadth of the rectangle. Is the new shape obtained still a rectangle? Observe that the rectangle has now become a parallelogram. Okay. Now see here figure 4.2. Okay. Have you altered the length of the sticks? No. The measurement side remained the same. Give another push to the newly obtained shape in the different direction. What do you get? You again get a parallelogram which is altogether different, yet the four measurement remain the same. Okay, we can see in figure 4.5. Okay, this shows that four measurement of quadrilateral cannot determine it uniquely. Can five measurement determine a quadrilateral uniquely? Let us go back to the activity. You have constructed a rectangle with two sticks each of length 10 centimeter and other two sticks each of length 8 centimeter. Now introduce another stick of length equal to BD and tie it along BD. If you push the breadth now, does the shape change? No, it cannot. Without making the figure open, the introduction of the fifth stick has fixed the rectangle uniquely. There is no other quadrilateral with the given length of the side possible now. So we can see this figure in 4.4. Okay. Thus we observe that five measurements can determine a quadrilateral uniquely, but will any five measurement of sides and angles be sufficient to draw a unique quadrilateral? Okay. Now next point is there constructing a quadrilateral. How we can construct a quadrilateral? Okay. We shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurement. First point, when four sides and one diagonals are given. Second point, when two diagonals and three sides are given. Third point, when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Fourth point, when three sides and two included angles are given. Fifth point, when other special properties are known. Okay, so let us take up this construction one by one. Okay, now see here next point is there when the length of four sides and diagonals are given. Okay, what is when the length of four sides and diagonals are given? So we shall explain this construction through an example. I will give example how to draw a quadrilateral. Okay, construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 centimeter, QR is equal to 6 centimeter, RS is equal to 5 centimeter, PS is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and PR is equal to 7 centimeter. Here measurements are given to you. Okay, how to draw, how to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, now solution is there. First, a rough sketch will help us in visualizing the quadrilateral. First you have to draw rough sketch. Okay, we draw this first and make the measurement. Okay, now how to construct a quadrilateral. Now step by step I will explain. Now first step, what is the first step? From the rough sketch it is easy to see that triangle PQR can be constructed using SSS construction condition. Okay, draw a triangle PQR. Okay, here draw triangle. Okay, now second step, now we have to locate the fourth point as S. This S would be on the side opposite to Q. Okay, opposite to Q with reference to PR. Okay, with reference to PR. For that we have two measurements. S is 5.5 centimeter away from P. S is 5.5 centimeter away from P. The point S is somewhere on this arc. Okay, now third step, S is 5 centimeter away from R. S is 5 centimeter away from R. So with R as a center. So with R as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. The point S is somewhere on this arc also. Okay, now fourth step 4. Okay, S should lie on both the arcs so drawn. Okay, so it is the point of intersection of the two arcs. Mark S and complete PQRS. Okay, then mark S and complete PQRS. Okay, so PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Okay, we can see that quadrilateral in figure 4.9. Okay, understood how to draw a quadrilateral? This point clear? Okay, good. Now here exercise is given to you. 4.1, exercise 4.1, construct the following quadrilateral ABCD. Now here measurement given to you. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now first question. Now how to solve this question? See here, solution is given to you. First you have to draw rough figure. Okay, see here, rough figure and then fair figure. Okay, now how to construct this quadrilateral? First point, draw a line segment AB 4.5 centimeter. First you have to draw line segment AB 4.5 centimeter. Second point, with A as a center, and radius 7 centimeter. Okay, radius 7 centimeter. Draw an arc. Then you draw an arc. Third point, with B as a center, and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw another arc to the intersect previous arc at C. Okay. Fourth point, with A as a center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc. Okay. Fifth point, with center at C and radius 4 centimeter, draw another arc to intersect previous arc at D. Okay. Then sixth point, draw BC, CD, AD and AC. Okay. Thus ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Understood this? Okay. Next question. Quadrilateral JUMP. Now here measurement given to you. JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter, UM is equal to 4 centimeter, MP is equal to 5 centimeter, PJ is 4.5 centimeter, PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now first you have to draw rough sketch. Okay. Then how to draw this quadrilateral? Steps of construction. First step, draw a line segment JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Second point, with J as a center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Third point, with U as a center and radius 6.5 centimeter, draw another arc to intersect previous arc at P. Okay. Fourth point, with U as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc. Fifth point, with P as a center and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc with intersect previous arc at M. Then draw JP, UM, MP and UP. Okay. Draw line segment JP, line segment UM, line segment MP and line segment UP. Thus we can make a required quadrilateral. Thus JUMP is the required quadrilateral. Understood this? Okay. Next 3 and 4 you have to do yourself. Okay. So next point, when two diagonals and 3 sides are given. What given? When two diagonals and 3 sides are given, then how we can draw a quadrilateral. Okay. When 4 sides and a diagonals were given, we first draw a triangle with the available data and then try to locate the fourth point. The same technique is used here. Okay. Now here example is there. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter, AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 5 centimeter, the diagonal AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter and diagonal BD is equal to 7 centimeter. So how we can solve this? Now solution is there. Here is the rough sketch of the quadrilateral ABCD. We can see the figure 4.10. Okay, studying this sketch we can easily see that it is possible to draw triangle ACD first. How? Okay, now steps to construct a quadrilateral. First step, draw triangle ACD using SSS construction. Okay, we now need to find B at a distance of 4.5 centimeter from C and 7 centimeter from D. Okay, so step number 2, with D as a center, draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter. B is somewhere on this arc. B, which center we have to take? D is a center. Draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter. B is somewhere on this arc. Okay, now step number 3, with C as a center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. B is somewhere on this arc also. So we can see in this figure 4.13. Okay, see here we can draw this way this arc. Now step number 4, since B lies on both arcs, B is the point intersection of the two arcs. Mark B and complete ABCD. Okay, so ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Okay, so we can see this required quadrilateral in figure 4.14. Understood this, how to draw a quadrilateral? Okay, now come to this exercise 4.2. Construct the following quadrilateral. First question, quadrilateral LIFT. Okay, quadrilateral LIFT. How to construct this quadrilateral? Now measurement given to you. Li is equal to 4 centimeter. Li is equal to 4 centimeter. IF is equal to 3 centimeter. TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter. LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter and IT is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so how we can solve this? Now steps of construction, how we can construct this. First you have to draw a line segment Li 4 centimeter. Okay, with L as a center and radius 2.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Third point, with I as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at T. Okay, with L as center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Fifth point, with I as center and radius 3 centimeter, draw an arc to intersect the previous arc at F. Okay, and sixth point, draw line segment LT, line segment IF, line segment FT, line segment LF, and line segment IT. Thus, LIFT is the required quadrilateral. Understood how to draw this quadrilateral? Okay, next you have to do yourself. Okay, third one, sorry, 2 and 3 you do yourself. Okay, so next point, when two adjacent sides and three angles are known. As before, we start with constructing a triangle and then look for the fourth point to complete the quadrilateral. Okay, now example is there. Construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle M is equal to 75 degrees. Angle I is equal to 105 degrees Celsius, 5 degree, and angle S is equal to 120 degree. Okay. Now how to draw this? How to construct this quadrilateral? Okay. See here steps. Here solution is there. Here is a rough sketch that would help us in deciding our steps of construction. We give only hints for various steps. Okay. See here we can see this figure 4.15. Okay. Now steps. How we can draw this figure? Okay. First step, how do you locate the points? What choice do you make for the base and what is the first steps? Okay. You can see the figure 4.16. Make ISY is equal to make ISY is equal to how much degree? 120 degree. Figure 4.17. Okay. Then step 3, make angle IMZ is equal to 75 degree at M. Where will SY and MZ meet? Mark that point as T. We get the required quadrilateral MIST. Figure 4.18. Okay. See here figure 4.18. Now see here how to draw this quadrilateral. Now come to the exercise 4.3. Construct the following quadrilateral. Quadrilateral MORE. First question. Quadrilateral MORE. Measurement is there. MO is equal to 6 centimeter. OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle M is equal to 60 degree. Angle O is equal to 105 degree. Angle R is equal to 105 degree. Okay. Now construct this quadrilateral. How we can construct this quadrilateral? Now see here rough sketch is given to you. Then steps of construction. Draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. At M, draw ray MA such that angle OMA is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Third point, at O, draw ray AB such that angle MOB is equal to 105 degree. Step 4. With O as center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting ray OB at R. Point 5. At R, draw ray RC such that angle ORC is equal to 105 degree. Okay. Locate E at intersection of ray RC and ray MA. Thus, MORE is the required quadrilaterals. Okay. Understood? In this way you have to draw this quadrilateral. Okay, another one you do yourself. Understood up to exercise 4.3. Okay, thank you.